Hello foodies, welcome to Rishik Recipes. Today's special lunch, mint leaf rice and egg curry. First we will prepare mint leaf rice. For that take 70 to 100 grams of mint leaves. Clean them and put aside. Take 250 grams of onion and slice them into half moon shape. Take 3 green chilies, cut them into 2 parts and put aside. Now pour in a bowl 70 to 80 ml of oil, and when oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of Jeera, sliced onions, and green chilies. Mix them well, close the lid and cook till onions turns into light golden brown color. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and mix. For ginger garlic paste recipe, check the link in description below. Cook till ginger garlic paste loses raw smell. Now add washed mint leaves, mix well and close the lid and cook for 2 minutes on a low flame. After adding ginger garlic paste, it will start to stick to the bottom and it's absolutely normal. After 2 minutes, add 1 liter of water. This water quantity is for 500 grams of rice. Water quantity may vary depend on the rice variety. So check and add accordingly. Add salt to taste. Close the lid and let the water to come to boiling point. Till that we will wash the rice. Take 500 grams of rice and wash it 2-3 times with new water each time. When water gets bubbles, add the washed rice and cook. When rice is slightly wet, switch off the stove and keep it aside. The remaining will cook with the heat from the bowl, as I'm using cast iron bowl. Now we'll prepare tomato egg curry. Take 150 grams of onion and slice them into half moon shape. This tomato egg curry is very tasty and easy to prepare, and cooking time also very less when compared to other curries. Take 500 grams of tomatoes and cut them into small cubes. You can cut them into large pieces as well, but small pieces will cook faster than large pieces and will be juicier. Take 5 green chilies and cut them into half. The quantity of chilies you can increase or decrease according to the spice. Now take 80 ml of oil in a bowl. When oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of jeera, sliced onion and chilies. Mix well and cook till onion will get light golden brown. When onion get light golden brown color, add tomato pieces and cook. When tomatoes are half cooked, add salt to taste. One teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and you can skip red chilli powder if you don't like too spicy. Cook till tomatoes become softer. Add 200 ml of water and continue to cook. Meanwhile, we will clean 5 boiled eggs. When tomatoes cooked well, add 5 boiled eggs. Make incisions from 4 sides so that they become fragrant. And 150 ml of water, and cook for 6 to 8 minutes on a low flame. Mix occasionally. After 6 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala and mix well. Always add Garam Masala at the end to get maximum flavor. For Garam Masala recipe, check the link in description below. Add coriander leaves and cook for 2 more minutes. That's it, our spicy and mouth-watering tomato egg curry is ready. Till this time, our rice also completely ready to serve. Mint leaf rice and tomato egg curry is a very tasty combination. If you like this video, give thumbs up. If you don't like, click the dislike button. Your subscription is a big support to me and to my channel. Please comment below your opinion on this video.